Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Summer Wave's 16-foot by 48-inch Elite Wicker above-ground frame pool and pump. Spend the hot summer cooling off by your Summer Wave's Elite 16-foot frame pool. This pool kit has everything you need to set up and maintain your pool, so you spend more time chilling in the water and less time buying accessories and supplies. It comes with a SFX1500 Skimmer Plus filter pump, pool cover, ladder, ground cloth, and deluxe maintenance kit. Product benefits: ready for water in as little as 45 minutes. Rust-resistant, galvanized steel frame stands up to heavy use, and the elements constructed of triple-layer polyester mesh and heavy-gauge PVC material. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.